Hey, what's up? Jigxor here. Want to move your iPhone videos to PC and don't know how? In this video, I'll show you how you can transfer them easily. Let's go. Whether you want to free up space, back up your memories, or simply edit them on a bigger screen, getting your videos off your iPhone doesn't have to be a hassle. While there are a few methods for this, one of the most reliable and straightforward is to use a dedicated tool. This particular tool is excellent for transferring all kinds of data, including videos, between your iPhone and PC. I'll recommend this one because it offers a user-friendly and effective alternative to relying on iTunes or iCloud for this purpose. You can get it all by clicking the link I've provided in the description box below and downloading the tool. Make sure to check the text specifications. To transfer files from your phone to the computer or vice versa, launch the tool first on your PC. Then choose Phone to PC or PC to Phone on the main screen, and click the Next button to move on. Select here the category you want to copy from your source to your target. You can also specify where to store the transferred items in advance. Otherwise, they will be placed on the desktop by default. Afterward, click the Transfer button to start copying the files to your computer or mobile. Depending on the size of the files, this process may take a few seconds or a while. Wait for the transfer process to finish. Once it is complete, go to the selected folder to check the items. That's it. If I could help you, feel free to give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. If you have any questions about the video or want me to create a tutorial about another topic, leave a comment below. See you next time. Bye.